Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. 60 word per minute English dictation. Ready? Start. So many teachers teach us full stop. We may respect all of them, but it is not necessary that we like them also full stop. It is but natural to have a particular liking for a certain teacher full stop. I have liked my physics teacher most full stop. The physics teacher is a master of his subject and has a clear idea of the topics he is teaching full stop. He does not believe in making a show of his knowledge and does not teach above the heads of the students full stop. He teaches beautifully full stop. Then he has so many homely examples to give almost on every point full stop. Though he teaches a subject like physics comma, yet it appears as if he were teaching a novel full stop. He is punctual and regular full stop. He teaches regularly and tests regularly, and that is why his results are very brilliant every year full stop. He knows everything about something and something about everything full stop. Of course, comma, he is thorough in his knowledge of physics, but at the same time, comma, he has a good knowledge of many other subjects also and is always up to the mark in the current topics full stop. Many times comma, when the students are not in a mood to study stop.